Jason and Derek from Couto Construction. In times like these, we're strongest when our community works together. Supporting each other, we can bounce back. So with that in mind, we're not only looking to save you money on your project, but we want to support local restaurants in their time of need.
Call Couto Construction today and save $800 off your full roof replacement, siding job, or windows. That's right, $800 off your project. And as an added treat, we'll throw in a $200 gift card to a local restaurant. After the year we've had, they need our support now more than ever. Have a much needed night out with a family or get takeout on us.
So that's $800 off your project and score a $200 gift card?
That's right.
That's $1,000 value. Don't miss out. Call Couto Construction today. Save money on your project, fill your belly, and support a local restaurant in need.
And if you're a restaurant that wants to be included, we want to help. Give us a call and we'll make it happen. It's all about community. And remember,
our family's got yours covered.